and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and after a brief break because I had the flu, I am back and I'm feeling a lot better than I was last week and ready to dive into all things Web3. So with that, let's jump right into everything. Our Discord community has reached 3,648 members. Joining our community is a fantastic way to connect with a diverse group of tech enthusiasts and innovators, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We took a little trip down memory lane on social media recently, showcasing a picture of our old web app interface. For those who've joined us more recently, it was a fun glimpse into our humble beginnings and a reminder of how much we've evolved. This week, we are so excited to spotlight Center. Center is a leader in blockchain data indexing. Center's ChainPipe platform is designed to revolutionize how you access and manage blockchain data, offering the ability to index anything on the blockchain in mere seconds. Their managed Postgres database ensures that you're always up to date with the latest on-chain activities, processing new blocks in milliseconds. With Center handling the infrastructure, developers are free to focus on what they do best, creating innovative applications. Their dedicated team provides support from the start, helping you set up your first project and begin querying on-chain data almost immediately. Over on the product front, we are so excited to introduce our new IPFS Gateway plugin, the Content Attestation plugin. This innovative tool allows users to sign and verify IPFS files through any Ethereum wallet directly via their IPFS gateway. In a world where content authenticity is paramount, especially with the rise of AI-generated materials, this plugin offers a reliable way to attribute and verify the origins of digital files. This is just the first step in enhancing content trust on the internet, and your feedback will be crucial as we continue to refine this tool. Stay tuned for more plugins and developments in this area. Have you ever wondered how to mint an NFT on Ton? Despite not being a new blockchain, Ton has seen significant growth this year, with daily transactions consistently hitting over 5 million. Its unique integration with Telegram offers a seamless experience for users to interact with wallets and dApps without ever leaving the app. If you're a developer looking to explore Ton, starting by minting an NFT is a great choice. Our latest blog post walks you through creating an app that uploads NFT assets securely to Pinata and mints an NFT on Ton, providing a practical introduction for working on this exciting platform. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below, as always, to get more updates from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, guys!